Hi, this is Helena from the Boardish onboarding team. I wanted to share some of my insights on how to get you through the first steps of speaking the business language for IT and cyber professionals. We are seeing great appetite from IT and cyber professionals who want to take the first steps into the business managerial side of technology. These first steps are always the hardest, so here are some insights on how to make it easier. The most common feedback that I hear is that the new terminology is already a conversation starter between tech and management. The terms themselves are oriented in business risk language, and it's much easier to get a board level engagement when you speak in terms of potential financial loss and gain instead of the usual technological risk scores, aka speaking in business risk and not in technological risk, aka speaking in money and not in tech terms. Let's start with the first Boardish term, sales loss. Sales loss, the amount of sales lost as a result of threat or combination of threats to the organization. When you are requesting a budget for a technological tool, you must speak in terms that the board and/or executives understand. If you won't get your budget. You want to see how terminology is so important, what impact it has on your ability to engage with management. Do an experiment. Try to speak with your CMO about the high availability and instant recovery solution for the websites in order to deal with the cyber threat of DDoS attacks. And then try to tell the CMO that DDoS has a top sales loss risk of $25 million. Which of the two do you think will start a better conversation? Which of the two approaches will get the CMO more engaged and will even slightly push them to provide budget support in the boardroom? See you soon in the next terminology part, Workdays Loss. Thank you, Elena from the Boardish team.